Calculating ROI is one of the basic tenets of PPC search marketing. Nowadays, more and more advertisers consider it to be the most essential KPI indicator of search marketing. On one hand, many advertisers still manage their campaigns without targeting ROI goals. On the other hand, many advertisers are already optimizing their search campaigns based on the conversion rate or the cost per conversion. And this may seem sufficient, but it's far from optimal. As you can imagine, we're always looking for ROI search perfection. So let's analyze 3 different ways to measure the return of investment of our campaigns. Strictly speaking, ROI is calculated as follows. ROI equals profits minutes cost divided by cost. But when most advertisers talk about ROI, they are actually referring to ROAS, or return on ad spend. ROAS is simply PPC revenue minus PPC cost divided by PPC cost, and it's usually shown as a percentage. For example, if your sales from PPC are $1,000 and you have paid $500 for PPC clicks, your return on ad spend would be 100%. Now, across Google Adwords search campaigns, the most commonly used ROI formula is the following. ROI is simply conversions value divided by cost, and it's usually shown as a ratio. Let's say your sales conversions value is $1,000 and you have paid $500 for PPC click costs. Your ROI would be about 2.0. The beauty of the conversions value calculation is in its simplicity. PPC managers can often perform the calculation in their heads, making it easy to perform optimization on the fly. Conversion value divided by cost is a great place to start for calculating PPC ROI in Google Adwords. The sticking point when calculating ROI comes in how cost is defined. PPC click costs are not the only cost to business marketing campaign. In e-commerce, for example, there are costs to make the products and fulfill the orders. There are credit card processing costs and the cost of returning goods. You may also have customer service costs, such as the salaries of the people who answer phone or email inquiries. Even in lead generation, when you are not selling physical products, there are still hidden costs. Consider the fixed costs, such as those that keep your website running, servers, equipment, technicians. What about the salaries of the salespeople who follow up on all those leads? The bottom line is, to truly get an idea of the cost of advertising, you will need to factor in all the costs, not just the click fees. Controlling your target ROI, you will respect your business margins and scale your PPC search campaigns in an intelligent, efficient, and scalable way.